I am really looking forward today to actually be able to announce the grand prize winner of our $10,000 charity giveaway. Freestar Financial is getting ready to open a branch in Shelby Township, and we thought by offering this $10,000 giveaway, it would help the community understand who we are and what we do for our community. Not only do we save our members thousands of dollars in lower loan rates and high deposit rates, but we're always giving back to the community through donations or actually physically helping local charities.
Welcome back. This is the Hire It Done Radio Network. My name's Adam Helfman. A great Saturday morning. Always is. In studio with me is the CEO. That's right. CEO of Freestar Financial Credit Union, Drema Isaac. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Good morning to you.
Being back, yeah.
Awesome. So, hey, will you put the mic a little closer to her mouth? Yeah, okay. So, Drema, welcome back to Hire It Done. Homeowners are overwhelmingly, renovating your house. It's like the renovation business is on fire. And what a lot of people don't realize is, they get all excited. They watch TV and they see they can remodel a bathroom, new kitchen, outdoor living, so exciting. And then we get all excited, and then they start getting personal. Like, uh-oh, how are we going to pay for it? Well, this is where Freestar Financial comes in, because you guys do all kinds of lending. Isn't that correct?
We certainly do.
So let's get right into it.
Yes.
Yeah, let's get right into that, and then we can talk about, because people are like, credit union, bank. What's the difference? Well, we're gonna divide that up as well. But let's go right to home improvement financing. Homeowner has a house. They've lived there 15 years. They've got this ready for a new kitchen, and kitchen today's $30,000. Most homeowners that I know can't just write a check for $30,000 unless they're borrowing from a 401k or wherever. So equity, isn't that a great way to go?
Absolutely. And if they've had their home about 15 years, another avenue may just be refinancing their current loan. So rates are well below 4%, 3.75 for a 30 year. And then on top of that, you've got 10 years. So if they've had their house for 15, they may just want to finance it. A 10 year is below 3%. So rates are good. Home equity rates, you've got some, low rates out there. A home equity is always going to be lower than a credit card or a unsecured funding.
So let's talk for the audience, what actually home equity means. So the scenario is they lived in a house 15 years. Mm-hmm. They paid 15 years ago, they paid $150. Today the house is worth $200, but over 15 years they only owe under like $100. Mm-hmm. So equity is what? The difference?
It would be the difference, and it would be like some financial institutions will go up to 80% of the equity. So they would get a new evaluation of the home, and then they would go up to 80%. At Freestar Financial, we go up to 95%.
So let's just use easy math. The house is worth $100,000. 95% is $95,000. And you'll lend up to $95,000.
Yes.
That's fantastic. Most banks don't do that.
Correct.
So that's another advantage why a credit union.
Absolutely.
So that's cool.
Low rates.
So that's important. So how's business for Freestar Financial? Has it been a good year?
It's a great year.
You guys are growing.
Year, and we're growing, and we're opening new branches. We've got a branch opening in October at Shelby Township, another one in 2020 at St. Clair Shores. So it's exciting times for us.
And you're leading the charge.
Yes.
How excited am I? Like, I have the CEO of a credit union in my studio. I'm feeling good. I appreciate it. So one of the things that you guys at Freestar Financial do that is different than most other places is that you also give back.
Absolutely.
And so one of the things we're going to do today, and we're going to announce this at the in the end of the hour, is that you guys had a $10,000 charity giveaway. And it's amazing. We're going to announce the winner today.
Absolutely.
So can you tell us a little bit about what your charity was?
Absolutely.
The giveaways?
So I had mentioned the grand opening at Shelby. So this was in an effort to bring attention to Freestar Financial, just share with the community all the great things that we do. Not only do we save our members money thousands of dollars with lower loan rates and higher deposit rates, but we also give back to our communities. And so that was the whole start of this $10,000 giveaway. So it started with asking our members and the community to nominate their favorite charity. We had over 100 organizations that were named. We were able to narrow those down to the 5 charities. And then our staff went out, created a video to try to capture the why and the passion behind each charity, which is out on our website, www.freestarfinancial.com/vote. You can see those videos and see the passion from each of the ladies that are responsible for that. It's amazing to see strong women out in our community. So then after that, the community had about a month to vote, and we had over 42,000 votes. So fortunately, I did not have to make the decision because
Right.
these are all really great charities.
That's interesting. I saw it all over Facebook too. A lot of people
Yes.
voting and saying, "Vote for us, vote for us." And I saw the name, and I'm like, "Oh, this ties it all together."
Yes.
Which is really cool. And there's 5 finalists.
Yes, we have the Animal Resource Funding Foundation, 4 Paws, 1 Heart, Camp Quality USA, PR Kids, and Turning Point.
That's awesome. And so the winner gets $5,000, and then each runner-up will receive $1,250.
Yes,
How cool is that?
it's
So that's another thing, so we're talking with Drema Isaac from Freestar Financial Credit Union. Their website is freestarfinancial.com. And if you're the type of person like me who wants to give their business to somebody who gives back, I would suggest visiting the website, going in, checking them out. It is banking done better, basically.
so.
And that's one thing I think, can we just basically tell the listeners right now, what's the difference between a bank and a credit union? Is there basic differences?
There are definitely differences. It's all about our structure, and our structure is our board of directors are volunteers. So every penny that we make is given back to the membership. I do not pay my board of directors. They are volunteers. So their effort is to give back to the membership. We are members serving members.
And that's important. So, but the money's protected just like any other bank. It's all backed up by government insurance and all
Yes,
that, which is cool.
absolutely.
So here's the thing. I notice banking, and I have a lot of frustration with the banks that I use. And so really and truly, I should be coming to see you. I like to do things digitally, online, through my phone. And I'm not a millennial, but I know millennials want that. They want to do everything from their phone. But I'm migrating that way. And I noticed because every time I walk into a Freestar Financial branch, everyone's like, "Hey, how are you? Welcome." It's so friendly and inviting.
Absolutely.
It's not like I'm torn, but I'm just like, this makes it so easy. And it's not like there's one teller and you're waiting for 5. You're staffed properly.
We're
A lot of
not.
people like that service,
Absolutely.
and that's something that makes a difference. So I'm going, I guess you get the best of both worlds.
Yeah, we do. So we're really good at the technology side of it simply because our roots were the military. You have military members that move all over the country. We have members in 48 states. So for years, we've had to do lending very quickly and remotely. So we're pretty good at that. But at the same time, we still respect that we have members that definitely want to come in and be serviced by some of our great staff, and that's what it's all about. Their smiles, their laughter is contagious.
So when it's a credit union, can a member of Freestar Financial Credit Union go to another credit union and do banking? Is it like
Yeah, we have credit unions are really good about working together, and we have connections through service centers. So a lot of times you can go to other credit unions. You can we have a huge ATM network, over 1,700 ATMs throughout the U.S. We're the second largest ATM network out there of all financial institutions. So, charge free, you can use an ATM.
Well, that's the biggest thing. People are like, "Why am I paying $2 to get money? I'm paying you to get my money," right? So that's a huge advantage,
Absolutely.
which is always makes sense to me. So you have how many branches right now?
So we have 4,
4 branches, and you got
2 more on the way.
2 more. So wow, so business is growing.
Yes.
I like that a lot. So let's talk about this charity for a second. You've got the five finalists, and what I'd like to do is just say a little bit about each one.
Yeah, absolutely.
So let me just find the other piece here. So do you have that in front of you?
Yes.
Okay, so we want to just any of them? You want to just go down?
Yeah, so the Animal Resource Funding Foundation, once again, the videos out there will elaborate on this a little bit, but their mission is to provide resources and support to animal rescues and shelters. We have 4 Paws, 1 Heart. Their mission is to reduce the number of homeless cats and dogs by paying for some needed medical treatment and assisting them with permanent homes. Camp Quality USA, another amazing charity where they serve children with cancer and their families by providing year-round programs, experiences, and companionship. PR Kids, their mission is to promote healthy pregnancies, positive birth outcomes, and healthy infant growth and development. And then we have the Turning Point, which is right down the road from Freestar Financial in Mount Clemens' main office. And it's to provide programs and resources that enable victims or survivors of domestic abuse.
Wow. So it's a really good spectrum of...
And a huge diversification out there with these charities. You do have... when you listen to some of the videos, these ladies are passionate about
which is amazing. So we're going to take a quick break, and when we come back, we're going to announce the winner.
Excellent.
Awesome. I'm Adam Helfman. We're with Drema Isaac from Freestar Financial Credit Union. We'll be right back. I'm your host. You're listening to the Higher Done Radio Network, 37 markets. We've got Drema Isaac from Freestar Financial Credit Union. The website's freestarfinancial.com. If you're frustrated with your bank, if you're treated like a customer, not a member, we're going to talk about the difference. You want to check them out because at the break I was talking to Drema about the actual customer service, and if that means something to you, then you need to definitely check them out. Drema, I was just at the break we were talking about you walk into the bank and they're friendly. Your staff is friendly. Mm-hmm. I got to be honest with you. I don't. It's like Chick-fil-A. They always say, thanks for coming to Chick-fil-A. Thanks.
It's my pleasure.
Right? That's all it makes is a little bit of a difference. But you guys back it up, too, with quality service and product.
Absolutely. We feel like, we're not just like when you go into most organizations, you have employees serving customers. But at our credit unions, it is members serving members. We are all on the same team. They have as much privilege as our employees do, and they have the same opportunity to speak with the CEO. And as a member, it's about the relationship that you do have with the credit union. So it's not about your credit score, it is about your full relationship. If you're going to cash a check, right? So we're looking at the full relationship, and more than likely you're not going to have holds on those checks. So the more that you do with the credit union, the more that the credit union is more lenient.
So let me ask, in let's do basic terms. I'm a regular homeowner. I get a paycheck every Friday. I want to deposit my paycheck. Regular banking needs, you guys have that handled. After that, we can go up to what? Car payments? Car loans?
Yeah, we do car loans, we do mortgage loans, we do small business loans, we do everything. Any type of lending you can think of, we do.
So you're full service.
Absolutely.
And that's important. So if someone wants to join the credit union to become a member, can they just go online and
Oh, absolutely. We make it really easy. Just go online to become a member. Very simple process. We have all the technology in place. I've mentioned before, like even if you were to apply for a home equity loan, you can do that online also. Auto loans, those are closed online. You never even have to come into the credit union. We have e-closings. So high technology simply because we've had to get really good about serving our military members who do travel to other states for duty. So we do have members in 48 states. So we're really good about serving those in remote areas.
So that's interesting. So you guys started out of you served the military.
Yes.
Was that Selfridge was your first branch?
Yes, we started on Selfridge, serving those who serve us.
And thank everyone out there for their service, by the way.
Thank you.
Appreciate them. So, technology. That's interesting because, as you know, fintech or all these buzzwords today, you guys are right in the lead with everyone else doing the same thing everyone has. So if you go on the App Store or Google Play Store, there's a Freestar Financial app.
Absolutely.
So every member can download that and do everything from there.
Yes.
What about like paying bills and all that online? You can set it all up?
Yes, we have a free bill pay system right online. It's free for all of our members. We have the home banking. You can send money to other financial institutions, or you can pull money from other financial institutions to us.
You can do that.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So if someone's not as tech savvy, can they come to the bank with their new smartphone that they got and say, hey, I'm a member, I need help. Can you guys help me set my smartphone up and do all that?
Absolutely. So if you choose to come inside, like when you come in and open up an account, they're going to walk you through how to sign into home banking, how to sign into mobile banking. I mean, everything is explained. So absolutely, whatever your preference is, or if you are more savvy, you can go online and do it yourself.
Interesting. So, since you're the CEO, Drema, what is the most used service, or like what are your customers? I'm sure you see the trends. Besides just regular banking, are they doing online pay? What do you see the growth in?
Oh, the growth is mobile banking.
It is.
And that is what you're going to see. There was a big climb in home banking, but mobile banking has outgrown the actual the volume and the trends of home banking.
Now, when you do mobile banking, that means it's from your phone, basically, a device.
Yes. Most millennials do not even have a laptop anymore. They're using their phone for everything.
Right? It's the automatic. They should just have it attached to the body. Maybe Elon Musk from Tesla is right about putting it into your brain.
Yes.
That's Big Brother there for you. But I'm thinking for you and doing the mobile banking growth, that's interesting because it's instant, isn't it? It's not like you have to wait 3 days. When you do all that, it's pretty much instant on everything.
Yes.
I think it is.
Well, yeah, depending on
what transaction it is.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Yes. So you can see, instantly, like what your balance is, what pending items. So it's instead of them going, remember the old days when they would have to go to the ATM and get an inquiry to figure out what their balance is? Now it's just right on
there.
their phone. Yes.
Instant. So with the technology, that there's also risk. Is the security and safety that you guys is top notch? It's always
absolutely
leads the way.
We it's one of our number one focuses, right? People come to us because they want their funds secured. So financial institutions take that. All financial institutions take that very serious.
And that's the thing. So for anyone out there who has any doubt or any worries, yours secures anything else.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Well, I'm a fan, and every time I go there, it's delightful. Your staff is A+. So shout out to all the Freestar Financial
great group.
people. They really are great. So let's get to this charity giveaway. It's the $10,000 charity giveaway. The winner gets $5,000. Each runner-up is going to receive $1,250. The 5 finalists are Turning Point, PR Kids, Animal Resource Funding Foundation, 4 Paws, 1 Heart, and Camp Quality USA. And Drema, I'm going to give you the honor of announcing who won this grand prize. So the grand prize again is $5,000, and then each one. So all these 5 are at least going to get 4 of 5 get at least $1,250. Congratulations to all of them. So let's hear who the winner is.
Okay, so the grand prize winner is going to Animal Resource Funding Foundation.
Yay!
Very worthy charity. So congratulations.
Yeah, that's awesome. Congratulations to the Animal Resource Funding Foundation and the 4 runner-ups.
Yes.
So they're getting $1,250. So I want to thank you though, Drema, because being able to give the charity away means a lot to these foundations.
Absolutely.
And the way you guys went about it was no pressure for you, or it's just let the people vote. So, it's just it's another, I want to say, feather in your cap or tool in your toolbox to say to the viewer and the listener, what a great place that is. So if somebody likes to reciprocate or pay it forward, I suggest Freestar Financial Credit Union. And Drema, you really done a good job with them, and I want to thank you very much for that. So go to freestarfinancial.com if you're interested in that. Congratulations to Animal Resource Funding Foundation, and of course Four Paws, One Heart, Camp Quality USA, PR Kids, and Turning Point, and all the people that worked with you on that, Drema. So in October, you're going to hopefully have your fifth location.
Shelby Township.
And where's it located?
Just right south of 26 Mile in Van Dyke.
Oh, right there. Okay, that's a booming area.
Yes, it is.
Oh, so there you go. You guys are really spreading your wings.
Good location, yes.
Oh, I'm loving that.
Looking forward to serving those communities there.
Yeah, well, you've done a great job. And so rates are low, equity line of credit. What's the other thing about, one last thing as we wrap things up, the timeline on equity. You can lock your equity line in for a certain amount of years?
Yes, up to like 25 years. So you've got, you don't have to take a draw immediately. Come in like now. If you're planning something in a couple months, get pre-approved now while rates are really low.
And then you always have it.
Because that's going to be, these low rates will be locked in on our product for the next 5 years. So.
And then every 5 years it's reevaluated? Or?
Yes, based on prime.
And if prime goes up in 5 years?
It will go up.
Okay, that's fair.
If it goes down, it will also go down. So you're always getting a great price. Yeah, you're always getting the market price.
Oh, it's even better. Money is cheap today.
Yes.
I love it. Drema, thank you for coming on.
It's my pleasure.
Freestar Financial Credit Union, freestarfinancial.com. I want to thank everyone for tuning in. Congratulations to the Animal Resource Funding Foundation for the big win. I'm Adam Helfman, and you're listening to the Hire It Done Radio Network.